Temperature controllers are essential tools for maintaining a stable temperature in a wide range of applications. There are many products available to choose temperature controllers, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best temperature controllers from reputable brands. After much research, I found those products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Duinwills Digital Temperature Controller. The Duinwills Temp Controller is a robust thermostat plug designed to handle high power, supporting up to 1800 W heating capacity while ensuring safe operation. Its advanced VA display allows you to easily read temperature data, even in low light conditions, making it user-friendly. With a wide temperature range from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 210 degrees Fahrenheit, you can precisely adjust the settings to suit various environments. This versatile device is ideal for incubators, greenhouses, and home brewing, ensuring optimal conditions for your projects and preventing any damage to your equipment. Number 2. WH1436A10A Temperature Controller. The Willy Temperature Controller is designed for easy operation and enhanced performance. It features dual working modes, allowing you to switch between heating and refrigeration based on your needs. With a maximum load of 10A and 1100 W, it can handle a variety of devices safely. The plug-and-play design simplifies setup. Just insert the probe and set your desired temperature range. Plus, the improved waterproof sensor ensures reliable readings, making it perfect for applications like brewing, incubation, or sous vide cooking. Experience convenience and precision with this advanced temperature regulator. Number 3. Moross Smart Temperature Controller. The Moross Temperature Controller offers an easy way to manage your home's heating and cooling systems. You can control it through buttons, a user-friendly app, or voice commands, providing you with flexibility and convenience. The bright LCD display shows both the target and current temperatures, ensuring you can read it anytime, even in low light. This device is compatible with various heating and cooling equipment, allowing you to customize the environment to your needs. Additionally, its timer function lets you set countdowns or cycles, making it perfect for specific tasks like brewing or incubating. Number 4. Bayite Temperature Controller. The Bayite Temperature Controller is designed for easy use and versatility. With its plug-and-play feature, you can quickly set it up to monitor temperatures in degree C or degree F. The dual relay output allows you to connect both heating and cooling devices simultaneously, providing maximum flexibility for your needs. You'll appreciate the dual display window, which shows both the current and set temperatures, making it simple to track your environment. Additionally, the safety features include alarms for high and low temperatures, ensuring you stay within your desired range for optimal performance. Number 5. Inkbird ITC 308 Digital Temperature Controller. The Inkbird ITC 308 is a digital temperature controller that supports both heating and cooling modes with an easy-to-use interface. It features a dual relay to power refrigeration and heating equipment, a dual display window that shows both measured and set temperature, high and low temperature alarms, and a customizable temperature and compressor delay to protect your equipment. The maximum output load is 1100 W at 110 V, providing a safe and reliable temperature control solution for your homebrew fermenter, greenhouse, or terrarium.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.